Thanks to you, Josh, who was homeless for 15 years, has received the support he needed from our adult shelter and case management staff to finally get housed. Thanks to you, Christy and her 2 boys have regained stability in our family shelter and are getting ready to move into their own apartment. Thanks to you, 353 people, including 152 children, were prevented from becoming homeless in 2014. Thanks to you, over 10,000 bags of groceries were given to over 1,700 hungry people last year. We greatly appreciate your partnership in this work to address hunger and homelessness in our community. Please consider making a donation now to help us help even more men, women, and children in our community. Visit our website at shcinc.org and use our secure link to donate online. Thank you.